In case someone was wondering, why they call them all terrain? Well, we do it all. That's why. So here, see up here on the top of this roof. I'll definitely watch out for that right there. Okay. Down to our last. I'm kind of enjoying this solar panel cleaning. You basically just want to scrub the brush up and down. On that lip right there, you definitely want to come back and get that, right? Close that lip right there. It's kind of hard to actually. I got this extended pole, extended out about 12 feet, so it's kind of hard to move it with just one hand. But yeah, you want to go across that line like that. And you see right behind it, it's all white, but in front of it, it's a little bit darker. So yeah, we'll get that line all cleaned out. So visit us at allterrain.com for the supreme cleaning. 916-549-5255. Make that number ring.